Hello, blend enthusiasts. Today I will show you how to create an easy turntable. So first thing that we need to make sure is that we have in preferences add-ons, animation turnaround camera plugin turned on. So once you do that, you need to make sure that your file has a camera. So, and currently you can see that I do not have a camera. So let's actually rename this guy to Fat Cat. All right. So now let's go ahead and make a camera, Shift+A Camera. So we can now align the camera that we made to this view. We can do this by pressing Control-Alt-0. We can make sure that our object is at the center. So for that, I'm going to turn on View, Lock to, and lock to camera. So that allows me to use shortcuts for regular navigation in the camera mode. So I'm going to press period, and that zoomed and centered my object. So now I'm going to turn that off. All right, so I will check my settings. So my size, the size of the renders is 1080 by 1080. I'm rendering at 100%. So I have 250 frames in my scene. The output is custom, so I'm sending it to the location where I render things. I'm going to check file format. It's an MPEG because I want a single file and I'm not going to really do any type of editing. So containers and MPEG. So I'm usually changing the output quality to virtually lossless or perceptually lossless. And I'm not going to have any audio. All right, so I know that it's going to save. Also here, you can specify a unique name. So the only thing that it doesn't have is the actual turntable. Now that our camera is set, I'm making sure that the object that will become the center of the pivot is selected. I'm going to press N in my 3D viewport. And now I have a little tab that is called Animate. And it's a very simple little program. You just click on turnaround, and so you can see that Fat Cat is essentially at the center of the whole setup. And now I can preview this, and you can see that my turntable is happening. However, my cat stops at the end of the turntable, and then it slowly starting to turn at the beginning, which creates a pause. So, and I want constant rotation. So to fix that, what I'll have to do, I'll have to click on this object right here, which is called AMCH rotation target. And now in my timeline, I have keyframes. So, and what I can do next is press T and then choose linear interpolation for my keyframes, and that will make it a continuous loop. So, and that's it. And that's how you make a turntable. So the only thing left is to press Control F12. And here we go. My render starting, and after a little while, it will become a QuickTime turntable. Alrighty, I will talk to you guys later. Hope you liked the video. So like and subscribe, and sign up for our Zoom classes. We're at Digital Monkey School. Bye.